everyone, my name is Anushka Singh and I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Pharmacy from IIMT College of Pharmacy, Greater Noida. I am incredibly grateful to share that I have successfully placed at Shirok Health, which is a medical coding company with enhanced innovative technology. This job designation was my dream and IIMT made it possible. I joined this college in 2021 and since then this college has shaped me both personally and professionally. This achievement would not have been possible without the constant support and guidance of my college, faculty and placement team. All my faculty members has helped me in clearing all my academic concepts and because of them I cleared all my interview rounds. My special thanks to our respected director sir, whose vision, encouragement and constant support played a key role in my success. I am very excited for my journey ahead and will leave no chance to make IIMT proud. Thank you IIMT.